Welcome to part 13. Very quickly, I wanted to go back to createTweet.php. I forgot to put a $sign in front of this date, a variable, so you might have caught that and not made the same typo, but in case you did, I just wanted to make that clear. Okay, so let's write logout.php. This is going to be the file that when we click on this link over here, it's going to basically destroy our session and bring us back to the home page. Very simply, start your session. Determine if there is a user signed in or not. So yeah, let's set session user. And so this is checking if there is a user not signed in, then we're just going to go back to the index page anyway. But if there is a user signed in, then we're going to unset the session variable. So basically, yeah, unset the user property of the session variable. We're going to call session unset and session underscore destroy. And finally, we're going to redirect the user back to the home page. And we're going to exit. If I can spell that right. Exit. Alright, now let's test it out. If we click log out, great, brings us back. And if we check in here, in our session storage, you'll find that there is no session variable here, our user variable. Whereas if we sign in, actually, yeah, never mind. I'm not really sure. But as you can see, the logout works. And that's how to accomplish that in MongoDB and PHP. In the next video, we're going to make a users list and follow some users. And then from there, we're going to create a newsfeed.